Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing great. So guys, in today's video I will be sharing with you how I created this beautiful bold kohl eye makeup look. So guys, let's get started. I will share with you some of the organic makeup products. Organic makeup products, as you have already read the title, what is organic makeup? Let's talk about that first. Makeup industry is growing day by day and we have a lot of options to choose from, like lot and lots of options to choose from, ranging from drugstore to luxury. And organic makeup is a newer trend that has recently added in the makeup and beauty kits. Organic makeup not only does the job of making you look good but also protects and nurtures your skin with every application. So guys, we all have been using wrong chemical products for years and now it's time to switch to organic makeup. I found a makeup brand that genuinely cares for our skin and focuses on clean formulation free from chemicals. So today's video is going to be one brand makeup tutorial and all the products that I have used today are from the brand Organic Harvest. Organic Harvest has recently launched a makeup range and there are a lot of products to choose from. I got my hands on 4 of the products. So I will be talking about all the products one by one. I'll show you the application, the texture, the ingredients. I will talk about the product in detail and tell you the benefits on our skin, as well as all the products are free from chemicals, waterproof, transfer proof. बहुत सारे अच्छी चीज़ें हैं, ingredients हैं. So let's just get started. Now starting with the first product I have is Organic Harvest Weightless BB Cream. It contains almond oil and vitamin C. It has a very lightweight formula that blends right into the skin and gives you that flawless radiance. I have already prepped my skin. Now I'm starting with the base. I'm using this BB cream as a base. It effectively conceals blemishes, redness and uneven skin tone, as it contains almond oil that will nourish your skin and will keep your skin hydrated, and has vitamin C that will help in reducing redness, discoloration, dark spots and will give you a glowing complexion. You will not feel any heaviness or cakiness on the skin, and also this is made with certified organic ingredients and is vegan, toxin free, cruelty free and also safe for both you and planet. And then I'm using little bit of loose powder to set the cream product in place. Next I'm using lipstick. Now instead of blush today and eyeshadow, I will be using this lipstick, and this is Organic Harvest Moisture Matte Lipstick. The shade is Red Wine. It's a very beautiful shade, and this lipstick is enriched with organic almond oil. Applying a very little amount of lipstick on my lips और बस अपने फिंगर से हल्का सा स्प्रेड कर लिया, बिकॉज मैं दोबारा लिपस्टिक लगाऊंगी व्हेन माई ऑल द मेकअप इज डन. तो सबसे पहले मैंने लिप्स पे लिपस्टिक लगाई एंड आफ्टर दैट आई विल बी यूजिंग दिस लिपस्टिक एज अ ब्लश. So now this lipstick has a very hydrating formula. Trust me guys, this lipstick is so lightweight, and also the product is vegan, toxin free, cruelty free and safe for both you and the planet. And with the help of brush and fingers I am blending it all. उसके बाद मैंने थोड़ी सी लिपस्टिक अपने फिंगर्स पे ली और फिंगर्स से ही ना मैं अच्छे से पूरे क्रीज एरिया पे लिपस्टिक को स्प्रेड कर रही हूँ, और उसके बाद मैं ब्लेंड करूँगी विद द हेल्प ऑफ ब्रश. And the color is really very beautiful, and like it's very lightweight and has a creamy formula, as well as एक ही स्ट्रोक में ना बहुत अच्छा पिगमेंटेशन आता है, long lasting as well as it's hydrating and is suitable for all skin types. Guys, I recently discovered this liquid eyeliner from Organic Harvest, and look at this. This eyeliner is so amazing. It's jet black and it gives you super precise application. It comes with a brush applicator and you can totally create thick or thin line according to your need and mood. It's just super black, it's matte, it's long wearing. This is also waterproof and smudge proof. Trust me guys, this eyeliner is waterproof and smudge proof, made with certified organic ingredients, and I just love this eyeliner. Highly recommend you guys. And now talking about Kajal, this is Organic Harvest Midnight Kohl and it is in the shade black. It's waterproof, smudge proof and very long wearing, and it doesn't irritate my eyes. This is enriched with organic almond oil and also gives an intense black payoff. This is very versatile. That means you can also double up as an eyeliner or eyeshadow to create stunning eye looks. So here what I'm doing is I first tightline my eyes and then I use the kajal on my waterline as well as on my bottom lash line. So both the kajal and eyeliner are also vegan, cruelty free, toxin free and also safe for both you and the planet. And then I'm using this cotton swabs, or you can use any angular brush to smudge it out a little bit. And then I'm just reapplying the lipstick, giving one coat on my lips, and that's it guys. This is the entire look and the makeup, and I was loving it. All the products I have used today are very comfortable to wear. I'll mention all the product details and links in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And also there's an offer running on their website that you will get flat 15% off on Organic Harvest makeup plus extra 15% off on the app using code which is reflecting on the screen in front of you, as well as I'll mention the same in the description box, so don't worry. So guys, that's it. That's all for today. I hope you liked this video, you found this video useful and helpful. Then please hit the like button and also do subscribe to my channel. If you're watching my video for the first time, please hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. That's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.